Hi, I'm Brooke from Handmade Craftiness, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the cascading pockets. First, you will need to print and cut out the templates. You need to score along the faint black lines to help with folding. Do this for all templates. Fold in the two adjacent tabs as shown, and then fold the pocket in half. Cut out the semicircle at the top together, following the black line. Next, we are going to glue our folded tabs and stick them to the other side as shown, ensuring the extra tab is sticking out. When these are all dry, fold the remaining tabs as shown. Take the cards and attach the pull tab with the glue as shown. Now take your journal or scrapbook and glue along the remaining tab of the pocket and glue this to the page, ensuring you line up your pockets as shown. Once the pockets are fully dry, you can insert the cards into the pockets. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials and content.